Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add a symbol to compare on TradingView. This is helpful for comparing price action of different assets in real time, spotting correlations, and making informed trading decisions. So once you've logged into your account, you will just have to open the chart of your choice for the main asset. So yeah, we'll just wait for it to load basically. And then now that you're here, you will just have to click full chart. And now that you're here, you will just have to look for compare or add symbol. So it should be somewhere right here. But yeah, it really depends on the version that you have. But anyway, just go ahead and click your sim symbol search. So what you will have to do in order for you to compare a symbol, you will just have to search for the symbol, of course. So yeah, it could be any. So yeah, just select from this drop down. So yeah, once you've selected your desired symbol, as you can see, there you go now. There we have our symbols now. So yeah, the chart overlays new symbol and the different color line appears, and you can adjust the color and style for clarity, of course, by going to your settings and click scales and click symbol. So for the app color, you can adjust it to your liking. So for example, you want pink for your app color and down color for something that doesn't look like pink. Then of course you will just have to select that so that you won't be confused. So yeah, that's basically just it. And so if you want to analyze the comparison, you will compare the trends, the correlations, and the divergences, and then you will of course use this for portfolio or multi-asset strategy. And by the way, you can add it to your chart if you want. So yeah, you will have to add it to your chart again. So yeah, as you can see, these are the symbols that we will be comparing now. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.